One question that often comes up a lot now these days is, what am I selling? And that's what most people are asking me, what am I selling? An online business. They don't seem to see it, or they don't understand it. Now, this is this is so obvious that sometimes I struggle to explain it because it's like magic. I want you to look at magic. When you see a magician performing something, they do a trick. The magician does the trick. You watching the magician, you don't see the trick, and to you, it's fascinating how he performed that magic, or he did that. But to the magician, he knows what he did, so he doesn't he doesn't on kind of it doesn't excite him, but he knows that you don't see it, so that's his job. So if he tells you what he's doing, it's no longer magic. You already know the secret to his success. So you won't be able to pay him to perform more on the shows. So that's why this is not an easy question to get over, because I want you to Google this thing. Ralph Waldo Emerson. What is the hardest task in the world? By Ralph Waldo Emerson. He said it's to think. And the truth is that many people are not thinking. They think they are, but they are not. That's why the strangest secret said, you will become what you think about. Let me go a little bit deeper to explain this, because I know it's kind of up there. You see, a very good example is Apple. You've got an Apple phone. If you do, or if you don't have an Apple phone, but you know the company brand Apple, why is their product so expensive? Why are people queuing up when they launch a product? Is it because it's the best, or is it because it does something other phones can't do? No. The truth is, they are buying Steve Jobs. He built in the dream into the phone. So you're not technically, but you're buying the value in that phone. It's not just the phone that you're buying. So it's marketing. You will be looking at it, but you can't say it. This is what SFM teaches. You'll be looking at what you're buying. It's not physical. If you go to the Bible, if you're a Christian, did Jesus sell us anything? He didn't. Why do we go to church every Sunday? Why do we buy Bible? Why do we pray beads? All these things that every Christian does. Why do we do that? We're buying into his values, the things he believes in. It's the highest form of sales. You can't beat it. You can't. When somebody instills his values into what he is selling, you'll be looking at it, you will be so magnetized to it that you really love it. You even paid for the product before you even bring out your money. It's how powerful this is. When you understand what SFM teaches in terms of marketing, that's why many people that have the question that comes in the line is, what product can I sell? Or when will I start making money? They don't understand this part. And this is where SFM makes the difference. They don't tell you what to sell. You have to decide what your passions are. Follow your passion, follow your dream. You'll be successful. Just believe in yourself. That's what they teach. It's not like, come here, you see me, you think I am promoting SFM. That's what many people might see. Then they might think it's a pyramid scheme. I have to recruit people to recruit another person to recruit another person, whatever. That's what they see. But in reality, it's bigger than that. However, SFM is not a pyramid scheme because it only pays 2-tier commissions. That's it. It's not like you have to bring people and people. Your success is not dependent on other people. You have to build the business yourself. You have to build your own business, and you can go into, they have e-commerce, they have freelancing, they have so many things they teach. But in the core of what I'm trying to get you to understand is, it doesn't matter who you are, where you are coming from. You have to sell. You must sell something that you love. You must sell something that you are passionate about. And most people don't even know their passion. I have a few people reach out to me saying that they don't understand their passion. They don't know where their passion is. And what can you do to help those people? You just have to, what I tell them is, get into the training and start. This is a journey of self-discovery. Anybody that gets into SFM, there's a quote that goes, that is a common quote, or is it a quote, a saying that goes in SFM: we all came here for money, and we are all doing different things. We've left the money and we started building our passions and our dreams. So that's kind of, because in the beginning, that's what you might be thinking the same thing. I want to start a business online, I want to make money, I want to do that. But in reality, when you get into, to even make the money, you must follow your dreams. And that's when you build something that you're very passionate about, something that you can wake up, you can do for free. And that's how they teach. So if you're thinking of what I'm selling, you will be looking at it, but you can't see it. That's the only thing. It's values. Money is a byproduct of the value you offer to the marketplace. That's what they teach. Every successful person will tell you that. Listen to Jim Rohn, listen to Tony Robbins, listen to Les Brown, listen to Lisa Nichols, all these motivational speakers. They will tell you the same thing. Money is a byproduct of the value you offer to the marketplace. So you have to become valuable. Your value is your price tag. So it's not the product that you're going to sell or that will define your success. It's you. At the end of the day, you have to boost your market value, and that's what SFM teaches you how to do. And you do that by doing something you love. Because when you see somebody that is passionate about something that you might not even be interested in buying in that sport, but just the way the person is passionate about it, you just enjoy it because you love the way they come across, the energy they put into it to make it work. Just like me now, you can tell that I don't care. I'm walking on the road and I'm shooting a video. I don't care what people think about, because this is my life. I am not interested in what anybody has to say or what they have to do. So you might not be able to do the same thing, but this is the means I use to communicate, because I just love what I do. I don't know if you understand that word, love. I just, when you enjoy something, you do it all day long. So if you're looking for what I'm selling, think about yourself. Don't worry about trying to figure out what any other person is doing. Think about what you really want for yourself and follow your passion. Follow your dreams. That's SFM will help you discover that if you don't know what it is. I hope this video helps you, and that's my another share. What am I selling? It's my passion, your dreams. That's what you do. Find people you will see some people that believe what you believe. All right. Apart from that, if you like what I'm sharing, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And if you have any questions you want me to answer, or you like this one comes up, I'll make a video and share you my experience on that. So I've given you feedbacks. I hope you like it. Apart from that, I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.